Hey everybody, if you've ever wished for a simpler, more cost-effective way to manage your WordPress websites, this message could be for you. I'm David Blackman, CEO of WP Zone, and today I have a very special announcement, but it comes with a ticking clock. Our lifetime membership has been a game changer for thousands of WordPress and Divi users, offering all-inclusive access to our cutting-edge WordPress and Divi plugins, themes, layouts, and courses. From teaching you how to become a WordPress expert, to enhancing your site's functionality, to boosting its look and design for conversions, our tools are easy to install, simple to use, and designed to empower your online presence. But all good things must come to an end. And so is the case with our lifetime membership. We're offering it just one last time, and this is your final chance to get it. Why continue paying annually when you can make one payment now and never have to worry about it again? And also, you get any future product updates that we built, any new products as well as updates. On average, we've built about 12 new products every year since we've started our company. That's been about a decade. We've created a lot of products. Not all of them are paid, some of them are free, so I'm going to throw that disclaimer in there, but I just want you to know that we're not stopping development anytime soon, and we have some amazing products coming in the future. No more renewal notices, no more additional charges, just a one-time fee that covers you forever. But don't take my word for it, hear it from our members. People just like you who decided to invest in their website future. They've already reaped the benefits, and now it's your turn. This is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in your website's future, ensuring you always have the latest and greatest from our development team without any additional cost. But remember, this opportunity's ending. Once it's gone for good. So click the link below to join our community of forward thinkers who are securing their access to the best tools in the market. Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime membership today. Ensure your website's success for years to come. Thank you for watching, and here's to building beautiful, functional, high-converting, and successful websites together. Act now, because this is your last opportunity. I'll see you on the inside.